already. So here's going to be a video of the cold start and a walk around for this 2007 328i. Try to make it pretty quick here, I suppose. These green lights are just single bulb LEDs. They easily switch out if you don't like them. All right, so that SOS light, that's the only light that comes on. It goes away pretty quick, but I assume it's because of this button or something about that not working any longer. Pardon, going out in and out of focus, but I need to just get the car out. Over in here, we'll pop the hood. Before I get out, I'll mention a few things worth mentioning. First off, the sunroof. It works. I've had a couple BMWs, especially wagons, and this very rarely works. Especially all the way. We'll put all the windows down. I typically don't like to put those all the way down. E90 sort of have a problem sometimes. If you put the windows all the way down, you just have to like double click them to get them up. It's not that big of a deal. And there's also really not a fix, but they work fine. So we'll start up here, the hood. There's a dent right here. It's worth mentioning, I suppose. The hood struts work fine. No suspicious noises or anything. The motor is very loud. And you'll see plenty of other photos on the documentation from that pre-post inspection. Close on both sides. There's some holes that the wrap went over for the front bumper. On the front bumper, I mean, for the front license plate holder. So those are a few bumps. The car does have some miles, so it's not perfect. The only reason that we wrapped it was because it had some sun fading here, and back on the rear spoiler area. There's a dent worth mentioning there, right there. And there's a few odd ones that aren't as noticeable, but I'm trying to point out for you. There's 2 stress marks on the bumper. The wrap has gone over. This part works fine. Small dent there. Small dent here. The taillights should work great. They are OEM black lines. The ones that were in it were just, not as good looking. There's dry rot around these windows on both sides, but there is no leaking. The interior is in very good shape for the mileage. It's nice and quiet. All 4 wheels have some form of like chipping around the edges. I was going to redo them, or I guess refinish them is the word I'm looking for, but never got around to it. These are only flickering in the video. They don't actually flicker. So, I'm going to do my best here to hold the camera and drive at the same time. But the purpose is really just to show that the car drives smoothly and doesn't have any major issues. And the clutch is smooth, brakes are smooth. No weird creaks or pops or anything rolling down the driveway. I'm gonna apologize, the sun's going down over here, so I imagine there will be some glare. And I also figured leaving windows down is the best so you can hear any odd noises and concerns. But you can tell from the pictures, both cup holders are intact and work. I suppose I should put my seatbelt on, even though I'm just going around the block. Heat and air both work fine, no weaknesses. You know, icy cold AC, very hot heat. It does appear to have like a short shifter and obviously an older style knob, but it shifts so smooth, so great. I apologize that we keep going in and out of focus here. Didn't get anybody to help me out today. But you know, with the windows down, just wanted to show that there's no significant noises. We will try to, this road here has a little higher speed limit, so I'll try to get it up to 45, 50 miles an hour just to show that it doesn't start falling apart or anything like that. It's worth mentioning that this screen here, at least when it was very hot out, it was missing some pixels. It's working great now because the weather's cooler, I believe. So I just wanted to give full disclosure on that. Probably won't even notice until springtime or summer. I believe that's all I really need for the video here, so any other questions, of course, you can contact me. Thank you.